incorporate such a large deck for my home. It's something that I felt like I needed for my family and myself to enjoy.
Me and Justin had the privilege of becoming good buddies over the last 4 years, and when he reached out to me to help design his deck, I was honored. When me and Justin originally got together to talk about the deck he wanted to design, he wanted to implement curved glass to match his curved decking and to blow everything up with lights. You know, we worked together back and forth until we agreed on something that we thought was sexy.
One of the main reasons I partnered up with Windeck is you can't beat the service. Call them, text them, email, they're on it. Within the hour, I get an answer. You just can't beat that.
Working with Winnipeg contractors like Justin has been a ton of fun. Being able to design a project and let him go loose to do the artwork. Just look forward to doing more work like this with more Winnipeg contractors.
If you know Jordan and Brandon as well as I do, they're awesome guys. They're easy to deal with. Anytime of questions, concerns, they're on it. They respond quickly. I would definitely recommend Windeck.